In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or insert a picture or image in a Joomla article. Whether you're new to Joomla or just need a refresher, we'll walk through each step, ensuring you can enhance your articles with images quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to either create a new article or open an existing one in your Joomla interface. This is your canvas, where your words flow and images add life. Once you've navigated to the article you want to work on, put your cursor exactly where you want that image to pop up. Remember, placement is key. An image can convey your message more effectively if it's positioned correctly within the text. Next, you'll need to interact with the Joomla editor. Find the CMS content button, which is your gateway to adding various elements to your article. Once you click on CMS content, navigate to the media section. This is where all your images are stored, giving you access to what you need to make your article visually compelling. If your desired image isn't already in your media gallery, you'll need to upload it. Click on the upload button, which allows you to select the image file right from your computer. A quick tip here, ensure your file is named appropriately, as a good practice in organizing your media files efficiently. After uploading, the next step is to select the image you wish to insert. This is also the perfect moment to add an alternative text or alt text to your image. Alt text is crucial for accessibility. It provides a description of the image for screen readers, assisting visually impaired users and enhancing your article's SEO. Now simply click on the Insert Media button, and just like that, your image will appear in your article exactly where you placed the cursor earlier. It's a straightforward process, yet very effective in elevating your content. There's also an alternative method to insert images. You can always opt to click on Insert followed by Image. This allows for another approach where you can paste the URL of an image directly into the source field within the editor. Once you've pasted the URL, hit save, and your image will be embedded in your article, and there you have it. Those are the step-by-step instructions to embed or insert a picture into your Joomla article. By adding images, you enrich your content and captivate your audience, creating more engaging and visually appealing articles. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Joomla tutorials and useful tips. Have a great day.